Ever wonder what separates a business that just get by from one that dominates the market? It's about knowing your customer, your competition, and path ahead. The most successful business in the world aren't lucky, they're strategic. And so, let us delve into the world of business research and tackle its nature and its importance.
You know, businesses today can just rely on luck anymore. If you keep guessing, you'll end up broke.
True. That's why research is super important. It saves you from making blind choices.
Exactly. Business research has certain natures that makes it reliable. Let's check them out, starting with the first one.
The first nature of business research is systematic. It means that research follows a step-by-step process. You don't just wake up and decide, oh, I'll open a shop today.
Like, if you want to start a milk tea shop, you check first if the people nearby actually loves milk tea. Then you ask the students what are their preferences in terms of flavors. Lastly, you check your competitors' menu. Thank you.
That way, you're not just guessing. You're making sure your milk tea shop stands out. And who doesn't want a line of customers?
The second nature is being objective. That means no bias, no, I feel like this will work, just facts.
For example, you might think your new burger recipe is a bomb, but when you taste it, customers might still prefer the plain cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
And hey, that's okay. At least you didn't waste money for something that people don't want. Because that's what research is. It tells you the truth, even when it's hurt. The third one is apply. That means research helps us to solve real-life business problems.
Imagine a small sari-sari stall losing customers. After asking around, the owner finds out people tend to go to the other store because their chips are much cheaper.
Boom! The owner knows what to fix. Maybe lower its price or add some snacks. Simple problems, simple solutions. Thanks to research.
And the last one is decision-oriented. The whole point of research is to guide smart decisions.
For example, if you're thinking about selling school supplies online, research might show that students actually prefer ordering on Facebook Marketplace.
So instead of wasting money on a physical shop, you'd go online first. See, research makes decisions less stressful and more sure.
Now, let's move on to why business research is important. First, it reduces uncertainty.
Imagine opening a cafe near a school. If research shows that students love hanging out after class, then you're in the right spot.
And instead of worrying if your customers will come, you can relax and focus on serving the best coffee.
Second, research helps identify opportunities and threats.
Like finding out people in your neighborhood wants affordable packed lunches. Now, that's your chance to start selling.
But if you know someone else is already selling, that's a threat. At least you know ahead and can take a better way to stand out. Maybe offer bigger servings or a free delivery. Lastly, research improves efficiency and competitiveness. Basically, it makes you smarter than your competitors.
Picture a delivery service that studies its routes and realize traffic is slowing them down. So by changing routes, they cut delivery time by 20%.
Faster delivery, happy customers, and boom, you just beat your competitors. Research is like a secret weapon in your business.
So, to sum it up, business research is systematic, objective, applied, and decision-oriented.
And it's important because it reduces uncertainty, spots opportunities, strengths, and improves efficiency.
So, without research, business is just guesswork. With research, it is smart work. And that's why
Business research matters.
Thank you for watching.